RenewaLift is marketed as a quick and easy at-home solution that claims to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, even out skin tone, fade dark spots, reduce puffiness and swelling, and even help your skincare absorb better. They say all of this can happen with just a 5-minute daily routine, and that visible results can show up in as little as 7 days. On the surface, it sounds like a dream device for anyone who wants younger-looking skin without expensive clinic treatments. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, this is where things start to get a little questionable. One of the first red flags is that RenewaLift appears to be a rebranded device. The same exact gadget has been sold online under multiple different names, which is a very common tactic used in dropshipping. When a product keeps changing names, it usually means there's no real brand behind it, just resellers trying to cash in on trends. Another issue is the unrealistic claims being made. Promises like lifting sagging skin, removing a double chin, and smoothing wrinkles in just a few weeks are simply not realistic for low-cost, at-home microcurrent devices. In professional settings, similar technologies require stronger equipment, trained professionals, and ongoing treatments. Expecting dramatic, long-lasting results from a budget device at home just doesn't line up with reality. The before and after photos on the website also raise concerns. They look extremely dramatic and polished, but there's no clinical proof or verified data backing them up. These kinds of images are often edited or borrowed from unrelated treatments, which makes them unreliable as evidence of real results. Then there's the issue of reviews. While the website shows positive feedback, there's no sign of real verified customer reviews, and there's no option for actual buyers to leave honest feedback. That's usually a sign that the reviews may be staged or hand-picked to look convincing. Digging a bit deeper, the exact same device has been found selling for extremely low prices on wholesale platforms like Alibaba. This suggests a massive markup and raises concerns about the build quality and overall durability. Products like this are often mass-produced with minimal quality control, which can explain why some users report the device stopping working after just a few uses. Even when users do notice some improvement, many report that the results fade quickly once they stop using the device. That means there's no lasting change, and you're locked into daily use just to maintain minimal effects. Missing days often leads to little or no benefit at all, which contradicts the idea of quick, easy results. Some users also mention that after a few months of consistent use, the results completely plateau. In other words, any early changes stop happening no matter how regularly the device is used. On top of that, the refund policy is often unclear or hard to find, and there are complaints about poor customer support, with emails going unanswered and no real help when something goes wrong. Finally, while technologies like microcurrent and LED therapy can work in clinical environments, expecting strong, noticeable results from a low-cost, heavily marketed device is a stretch. The aggressive hype, emotional advertising, and recycled claims are doing most of the selling here, not solid evidence. So overall, while RenewaLift may offer very temporary and mild effects for some users, the marketing promises appear exaggerated, and there are many red flags that suggest it's not the miracle solution it claims to be. If you're considering it, it's important to manage expectations, research carefully, and think twice before spending your money.